So here's my GMC app. So you can just tap get on it and just double click to install it. So this is your app to help use General Motors cars, and super easy. So you have remote commands, vehicle status, you can schedule service, you have roadside assistance, send to navigation, and yeah, pretty cool app. You can log in with your GMC account or OnStar username and password. Services are not available everywhere, and feature availability and functionality may vary by country. The myGMC mobile app supported on iOS 14 or later. It's only available in North America, UAE, Kuwait, and Bahrain. So then you just select where you want to select. Then continue as a guest or create an account. And then if you own it, the vehicle, here is how it looks like. You can see some app benefits. So charge status, garage, and more. Connected features, remote commands, Wi-Fi hotspot. So account, garage, charge status, smart driver, gain insight on your driving behavior, which can help you improve your driving skills, health functionality, at a glance status, rewards, earn points, map, energy assist. So remote commands, in-vehicle data, in-vehicle apps with Alexa built-in, with Google built-in compatibility, Super Cruise, send to navigation, vehicle locate. So yeah, all kind of features, you can get them here in the app. Then also service schedule, manuals. So quite advanced app. Of course, you just need to start by creating your account in the top left. And you need to create your account from GM.com website. So yep, that's where it is.